So in this tutorial, we are learning about Power BI storytelling secrets to build compelling narratives. A data story in Power BI is more than just charts, is about creating narratives that help your audience understand insights and take action. And here's how to do it. The first step is to define your data story. Before choosing a data set, decide what is the key message. Example, whether you have to tell sales trend, customer behavior, or business growth. Second is who is the audience, like executives, analysts, general users. Who is your audience who is going to view or use these interactive reports? Next is what action should they take, like increase sales, optimize cost, or improve customer engagement. So, what actions should they take, right? So, first thing is to define your data story. Then comes the step two, choose a data set. You need to a data set, choose a data set that supports your story. So here are some options. For example, these are obviously some public examples that you can see. For business and sales data, there are Kaggle's sales data set example, Walmart sales, e-commerce transactions, Adidas sales. We have around 90 such Power BI tutorial videos on our channel, and in those 90 videos you will find many of these data sets where sometimes we have selected sales analysis data set, e-commerce transactions data set, insurance data set, etc. So you can watch those videos. Next comes superstore dataset. This dataset is created and available in Tableau, but you can use it in Power BI as well. And this is a very useful dataset when you are beginning your data analysis journey. So this is important. You can search sample superstore dataset Tableau, and it is available. Its dashboard is available in our tutorial also, in our channel also. I will provide you a complete link there. Next comes the retail analytics sample. For example, Microsoft provides this in Power BI sample data. Next is financial data. So stock market data, like you can select Yahoo Finance API or Kaggle datasets. There are many datasets available on Kaggle. They update financial data daily and give you a stock related information. So you can choose them, or you can also select company financial reports like SEC's Edgar database. You can search these things and you will find them very much helpful for your practice. Then there are customer and marketing data like Google Analytics data. So if you have websites, for example, if you have created a website for yourself, or you are doing this for your client, or you are doing this for your employer, so you can see in Google Analytics there are a lot of metrics like website visit conversions, from where the most of the users are coming, what is the different source, what is customer behavior, everything is available in Google Analytics. Or you can do a survey, or you can conduct a survey and collect data. So very simply you can create a form, a survey form, and on the basis of customer feedback, NPS scores, you can use data sets like customer and marketing data. Next, there are some government and open data available. There is World Bank data like economic indicators. COVID-19 data sets are available like John Hopkins University data set. And there is a great website called UCI Machine Learning Repository. So from there also you can get a lot of open data. In India, data.gov.in also provides data related to various government operations and schemes, etc. So you can use these data sets for some real-time analysis. And as I'm mentioning, these are all tutorials are all available on our channel itself, so you don't have to go anywhere else. So first step, define your data story. Second step, choose a data set. Then comes the step three. you can load and prepare data in Power BI. So simply get data import from Excel, CSV, SQL or an API. Use Power Query Editor for removing duplicates, fixing null values and transforming data, and create relationships. If there are multiple tables, then connect them. So we have created a tutorial video for connecting around 11 different tables with the help of data modeling. So you can view that particular chapter, and this will help you in learning relationships and data modeling. So that is very important. We have a separate playlist for Power Query Editor operations also, which will help you in data cleaning process. Then we then comes a step 4. That is the step why we are discussing this, is to build a narrative with visuals. So first start with an overview page. Use KPI cards to highlight key metrics like revenue, profit and customer growth. You will, as you are seeing some reports here, so you can always use these type of KPI cards to highlight key metrics. Then show trends with line charts, compare monthly or yearly trends, example sales over time or customer churn. Then you can add drill downs and filters, enable interactions to let users explore details by region, product or category. And you can also use storytelling features like bookmarks and buttons. Create guided storytelling with the help of bookmarks and buttons. So these bookmarks and buttons will help you in your storytelling journey. And like you can provide these buttons with arrows and steps and numberings to let people know that this is how your storytelling journey will proceed. And you can also use annotations like highlight key insights with tooltips or text boxes. Right. Next step is to make it interactive and engaging. You can add slicers for filtering data dynamically. You can use DAX measures for custom calculations, like year over year growth, percentage change, etc., month on month growth. These type of things you can put in your reports. You can include a final summary page with action points. So let's say you have created 4 different pages. So fourth page can be a final summary page with different type of action points. And then comes step 6. You publish and share. So publish to Power BI service, share with the stakeholders via dashboard, apps and Power BI embedded. And you can also use schedule refresh for real-time updates. Like we have created some real-time sports analysis videos where we have used real APIs, and every 15-second or 20-second data will refresh and tell you the score. What are some example use case? For example, why did sales drop in quarter 3? Let's say you have a data set and you have to analyze why did sales drop in quarter 3, and the data set that you can use is superstore sales data, the sample superstore sales data. And the visuals that you can build are line chart showing quarterly sales trend, map visuals highlighting underperforming regions, and bar charts comparing products categories, and KPI card with total revenue and profit margin. So these are some storytelling ideas, tips that you can use. And obviously, by watching many exploratory data analysis videos, either on our channel or any other channel, you will understand how different tutors explain the story, how they explain what is going on, how they explain how different features are related to our targeted variable. So those type of things are always important for storytelling. And making the graphs interactive, providing right kind of filters is very important. So these things, when you will choose them properly, when you will apply them properly, then you will be able to present your reports with more meaningful insights. So this is what you can do. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to our channel so that you can receive more information like this.